So, you want to buy a drone, but you don't know which to buy. Well, you can't go far wrong with this. The Lidi RC L15 drone is both proven and affordable. And let's face it, you are going to crash a few times. And this cute little thing is quite tough. It can take the knocks without costing you a fortune. It's also really easy to fly. You get 10 minutes flying time for each charge of the battery. In the package you also get 4 propeller guards, 4 landing struts, your battery, the battery charger, 4 spare props. You get an FPV cam that connects to an app on your phone. And you get the controller. I got this one from GearBest. They're a well-known company and they'll look after you. Just don't forget to tell them who sent you.